Picture this. It's Monday morning, your alarm rings and you groggily reach out to snooze it. But wait, this isn't your regular morning. Instead, a soothing voice gently wakes you up, reminding you of your day's schedule while brewing your favorite cup of coffee. Sounds like science fiction? Well, welcome to the future where virtual assistants are revolutionizing our day-to-day lives. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of virtual assistants. These AI-powered pals are here to make our lives easier, taking over mundane tasks and freeing up our time to focus on things that truly matter. But what exactly are these virtual assistants? How do they work? And what can they do for us? Let's dive deep into their world and find out. To understand them, we first need to understand artificial intelligence. At its core, AI is about making machines think and learn like us, humans. And virtual assistants are a perfect example of this. Let's take a look at a day in our life with a virtual assistant. It starts with scheduling. Remembering every appointment, every meeting, and every little task can be overwhelming. But with the help of these virtual pals, you don't have to worry about forgetting anything. They manage your schedule, set reminders, and even send out emails on your behalf. And when we talk about virtual assistants, we're not just talking about the big players like Siri or Alexa. There are many others out there, each with its own unique features and capabilities. From Google Assistant to Cortana, these virtual assistants are becoming an integral part of our digital lives. But these tools aren't just confined to our smartphones or laptops. They're also an integral part of our homes. Whether it's controlling smart home devices, streaming our favorite music, or even ordering groceries, they're making our homes smarter and our lives easier. And they're not just in our homes. They're also making their way into our cars. With features like voice-controlled navigation, hands-free calling, and personalized entertainment, they're transforming our driving experience. Now, let's switch gears and look at how virtual assistants are revolutionizing the workplace. These AI-powered tools are taking over a range of tasks, from scheduling meetings and managing emails to performing research and handling customer inquiries. They're reshaping how we work, increasing productivity, and allowing employees to focus on strategic tasks that require a human touch. Various industries, from healthcare to customer service, are leveraging AI to provide more efficient and personalized experiences. Virtual assistants are being used to make appointments, provide medication reminders, and even answer patients' queries. In the world of customer service, virtual assistants are acting as the first point of contact. With their ability to handle multiple tasks simultaneously, provide accurate responses, and function 24/7, they're transforming the way businesses interact with their customers. And did you know you can train your VA? Yes, these AI-powered tools learn from your interactions and can be customized to understand your preferences and habits better. This way they can provide more personalized assistance. But the current capabilities of virtual assistants are just the tip of the iceberg. The future of these companions is incredibly exciting. With advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning, we can expect these digital assistants to become even smarter and more capable. Imagine a future where your virtual assistant isn't just a voice coming out of a speaker, but a 3D holographic projection. A virtual buddy who not only manages your schedule but also plays chess with you, learns from your behavior, and evolves over time to serve you better. It sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But with the pace at which technology is advancing, it may not be too far off. Also, virtual assistants could go beyond just performing tasks. They're evolving to become conversational partners, capable of understanding and responding to complex human emotions and nuances. In the future, we might see them have meaningful conversations, provide emotional support, and even act as partners. Or think about the potential impact on education. Virtual assistants could become personalized tutors, adapting to each student's learning style, providing real-time feedback, and making learning a truly personalized experience. But as we embrace these AI-powered tools, we must also consider the challenges and concerns that come along. Questions about privacy, data security, and even the ethical implications of AI are important discussions we need to have. Companies that develop these virtual assistants are aware of these concerns and are taking steps to ensure data privacy and security. Features like data encryption, user anonymization, and strict privacy policies are becoming standard. But as users, it's important that we stay informed about these features and make sure we're using these tools responsibly. Another concern is the potential loss of human jobs as virtual assistants take over more tasks. As with any technological advancement, it's critical to balance progress with its impact on society. While some jobs may become obsolete, new ones will emerge as we continue to innovate and evolve. But it's not all doom and gloom. Virtual assistants also present opportunities for inclusivity. For instance, they can make technology more accessible for the elderly, the visually impaired, or those with physical limitations. They can assist in learning and education for children with special needs. They have the potential to bridge the gap and make technology accessible to all. Virtual assistants, with their immense potential, are here to stay. As we navigate our way into this exciting future, let's make sure we're informed, prepared, and ready to make the most of it. But we want to hear from you. How do you use this technology in your life, and what are your thoughts on their future? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into the world of virtual assistants and want to stay updated with the latest in artificial intelligence, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And if you haven't already, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about our future videos. We've got a lot more fascinating topics lined up for you, so stay tuned, keep exploring, and keep learning. Until next time.